Do you often find yourself putting off important tasks? Procrastination can stop you from being productive and reaching your goals. But there is a simple technique that can help you get started and beat procrastination. It is called the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is very easy to understand. It means that if a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it right away. Do not delay or plan to do it later. Just do it immediately. This small action helps you avoid building up a long to-do list. For example, if you need to reply to a short email, wash a few dishes, or tidy your desk, take 2 minutes and do it now. These small tasks might seem unimportant, but doing them quickly clears your mind and your space. It creates momentum for bigger tasks. When you face bigger tasks that seem overwhelming, break them down into smaller steps. Choose the first step that takes 2 minutes or less. Start with that. This makes the task less scary and easier to begin. The key is to take action, no matter how small. Once you start, you often find it easier to keep going. The hardest part of any task is usually just getting started. The 2-minute rule solves this problem by encouraging you to begin immediately with a simple action. This rule also builds good habits. By regularly completing small tasks quickly, you train yourself to be more disciplined and focused. Over time, this habit reduces procrastination and increases your productivity. To use the 2-minute rule effectively, try these steps. Look at your to-do list or daily tasks. Identify any task that can be done in 2 minutes or less. Do those tasks right away without hesitation. For bigger tasks, break them down and start with a small 2-minute step. Remember, the goal is to take quick action. This small effort creates a positive cycle of productivity. In conclusion, the 2-minute rule is a powerful tool to beat procrastination. It helps you start tasks immediately, build momentum, and form productive habits. Next time you feel stuck or tempted to delay, try the 2-minute rule and watch your productivity improve. Start small. Start now. Beat procrastination with the 2-minute rule.